guys.
Santa dog.
Santa dog was here.
Santa dog was here.
Oh my goodness.
No, you didn't take.
No, I didn't take the tags off those things in that bag. That's the bag from my house. But why don't you pull something out? Poppy's about to go berserk.
Oh, look, Poppy.
No, that's a cat toy, isn't it?
Oh.
That's a cat toy?
Okay, wait, yes,
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Get something for her.
Oh, Poppy there,
Wait,
honey.
our cat?
Poppy, what is that?
Here, you put that cat toy out real quick.
Poppy got a toy. Look at Poppy, Dad.
Where you get, Poppy?
You got that.
Poppy.
It's got a tag on it.
This was the guy.
Jack, hold on. You're getting your own.
Here, Jack. Oh, okay. I was reaching for something else. Look, me.
Mom, is this for our cat?
Yes,
Yeah.
I see your toy, Poppy. Look, here's a toy.
Oh, poor
May.
Rosie was reaching for that one.
Toy.
Rosie, were you reaching for that one? I know, honey.
Oh, boy. You squeaked it, Jack. Yeah, oh, boy.
Good girl, Rose. What's his name like toys? Rosie, you got it.
Look,
Yeah.
Jack.
Good
Santa dog
dog.
brought you a tennis ball.
Oh,
boy.
Jack's got a ball. Look at Rosie. My
Jack.
goodness.
Rosie.
She's picking it up. She doesn't even like stuff like
Oh,
that.
this thing has catnip in it.
Rosie. Look, Santa dog was here. Oh, Jack likes
Oh,
that one, too.
wow. Look at that one, Rosie,
boy.
on the floor. It's a squirrel. Look at you
Catnip
guys.
in it.
That has catnip in it. Oh, isn't that cute? Cool.
It's a little mouse with cheese and it has
Look at
catnip
these
in it.
guys.
Oh,
They've
my
never
goodness.
eaten before.
Okay, everybody.
They're acting like it.
Oh my gosh, and oh my goodness, what is this? This stuff's not even in a stocking. There's so much of it.
Santa dog was good
Oh
to you guys
my
this
gosh, you guys.
year. Sit.
Look at that.
Sit.
Poppy, sit.
Ren.
I can't remember how. It's too exciting.
Rosie, don't keep switching positions, you guys. May.
Poor Merlot keeps sliding along in the back.
Jack.
You get rid?
And Merlot. Oh, wow. Those are good, you guys. Santa dog was good to you guys. You want another one?
This thing to get the catnip. There's catnip inside it.
I'm going to take us out to give the cats in the bar.
No, it's for my cat.
Everybody sit.
Merlot and Poppy pretending
Merlot,
they don't
sit.
know how to sit. Poppy, off.
Off. Sit. Good. Okay.
Poppy? She's
Merlot.
getting rewarded for being a brat.
May. Jack.
Hey, Mom, these slippers are cozy.
Ren.
I know those are cozy.
Oops. Rosie. Good. That's all good stuff, isn't it? Oh, boy.